Hello, this is Angela from Finale Inventory, and today I'll be demonstrating how to import items to a single PO. So from the home screen, we're going to select Purchases to view our purchase orders. One thing you want to make sure of is that your purchase order is in the editable status. That allows us to make changes and add things to the purchase order. I have a test import PO here. As you can see on this purchase order, we do not have any products. So what we're going to do is simply go to the top of the screen and use the drop-down menu and select Import Purchase Order Items. It will then lead us to our import screen. Down below you will notice our supported columns for this import. We will be using our product ID, quantity, and I will also be demonstrating case quantity. So I have an Excel spreadsheet ready to go for this demonstration. As you can see here, I have the product ID and the quantity. I have 4 product IDs listed and 4 quantities that correspond to those product IDs. We're going to select all the data and copy. We will go ahead and just simply paste that into the screen. You will see here that 4 lines will be imported. And we have our products that were listed on our Excel spreadsheet with the corresponding quantities. I'm going to hit Next, Commit, and as you can see here, the items are now listed on your purchase order. One thing you may notice is we don't have any prices. So I don't have any prices associated with this product ID, and we do not have a supplier selected to populate that field either. So one thing that you can do is do an import of the price as well. So you go to the top of the screen, same option, Import Purchase Order Items. And as you can see here, one of the supported column titles is Unit Price. So I'm going to bring over my Excel spreadsheet and we're going to add that column to the spreadsheet. So Unit Price, and we're just going to give some values to it. So $5, $10, $15, and let's just say $8.25. So those are our prices. So we're going to do the same thing we did to import the quantities. We're going to select all the data, copy it, and then we're going to go to the import screen and paste it in. As you can see here, 4 lines are going to be imported. Here are the unit prices, and we're going to simply hit Next and Commit, and now our prices have populated. So the next thing I want to demonstrate is how to import case quantities. So oftentimes we do not purchase our products by eaches. We might purchase them in a bulk or in cases. So what we're going to do is, again, go to the top of the screen and use the drop-down menu, select Import Purchase Order Items, and we are back into our import screen. As I demonstrated before, we had a section for case quantity. So I have prepared an Excel spreadsheet with the information needed. So as you can see here, I have the product ID, the case quantity, we still have the unit price, and we have standard packing. So the reason why I have standard packing for this line item only is because I know that in my Finale account I do not have a standard packing set up for this product. I do, however, have standard packing set up for the other 3. So if you have them all set up in Finale already, this column is not needed. If you do not have them set up in Finale that way already, you would need this column. So that is why we have this column here for this item. So once again, we're simply going to select all of the data. We're going to copy that information and we're going to paste it in. As you can see here, I used standard packing, it didn't match, and all we need to do is add that product. So we're going to here week finale can match that to packing. Case quantity and everything else matches. So we are good to go. We're going to hit next, commit, and as you can see here, you will see the quantity change to the case quantity. So we have 10 cases, 25 cases, 50 cases, and another 50 cases. And that is how you import items to a single PO. Should you have any questions or need any assistance, feel free to reach out to us at service@finaleinventory.com.